Good morning, students. Now, in the last class, we have completed chapter 2, surface area and area related to circles. And we have done a little bit of questions from Adi Sharma. The remaining question you have to do by yourself. All the questions of board examination as well as NCERT examiner must be done. If time permits, we will discuss later. I will try to give you the pics of the questions that had come in the board examination. Now let us start the next chapter, chapter 13, surface area and volume. This is very important. All of the formulae that you have studied in class 9th, we have to use again. The deleted topic is, for this year only, deleted topic is frustum of a cone. Frustum of a cone. Frustum. And even though it is deleted, I will give you the formula of finding its area as well as volume for your knowledge only, but for examination need not to be done. Now let us start surface area and volume. There are two-dimensional figure as well as three-dimensional figure. If I am taking this page and considering its width is negligible, this is having only length and breadth, so that this is two-dimensional figure. If I take this book, it has length, breadth and height, so that it is three-dimensional figure. For two-dimensional figure, we can find only area, but for three-dimensional figure, we can find area as well as volume. Now, let us start from the very first figure, that is cube. You know what is cube? Cube is a three-dimensional figure having each face, having 6 faces, and each face is in the form of a, let me draw properly, each face is in the form of a square. And if the edge of his cube is considered as A, first of all, lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. What do you mean by lateral surface area? See, if I am taking this book, this side surface is flat, so that its side surface area can be called as the lateral surface area. If I consider this top, its side surface is curved, so that we can call this as curved surface area. But for flat plane surface, we can call it as lateral surface area. For cube and cuboid, the side surface are square as well as rectangle, so that they have lateral surface area. Lateral surface area means there are 4 faces. Each face is in the form of a square, that is 4 into area of square, that is 4a square, where a is the edge of the cube. Second is total surface area. Total surface area. You all know everything, but I am just recalling you. Since there are, for total surface area, you have to take that top area as well as bottom area. Top and bottom are again in the form of a square, so that total surface area is 6 into a square. Now next is volume. Volume can be found out using the formula A cube. This is the case of cube. Second one is cuboid. What is the difference between cube and cuboid? In cube, all the length, breadth and height will be same, so that each face is in the form of a square. But cuboid, length, breadth and height are different, so that each face is in the form of a rectangle. I am drawing the figure. Even though you know this figure very well, I am again, for recalling you everything, I am drawing the figure. This is the cuboid, and let us consider this length as L, breadth as B and height as H. Now first one is lateral. LSA means lateral surface area. Lateral surface area is equal to 2 into L plus B into H. That means you know the area of 4 walls of a room. And since room is in the form of cuboidal shape, area of 4 walls of a room is same as lateral surface area of cuboid. Next is total surface area, that also you know, 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Now volume is equal to L into B into H. This is the formula for finding lateral surface area of cuboid, that is LSA equal to 2 into L plus B into H. Total surface area is 2 into LB into BH plus LH. Volume is L into B into H. Next solid is cylinder. Number 3, cylinder. How we can find its area as well as volume? Cylinder, you know that the shape of the cylinder is like this, and it has one curved surface just like stalk. If you consider this as a cylinder, there are 3 surfaces, one at top, one at bottom, both are in the shape of circle, one curved. Now the radius of the cylinder is the top radius as well as bottom radius. The distance between the centers of both top and bottom is height. Now in the question you can see right circular cylinder is written almost. Why? Because right circular cylinder means it will be straight. If the cylinder is like tilted, then height can't be found out. Right circular cylinder से लिखते हैं right होगा तभी height रहेगी, अगर थोड़ा सा tilt होगा तो height यहाँ find out नहीं कर सकते. First one is since its surface is curved. First one is curved surface area. Curved surface area. You can write this as CSA. CSA is equal to 2 pi RH. How we can find this? अगर आप उसके हाइट के थ्रू एक सिलेंडर को काटेंगे तो वो एक रेक्टेंगल बन जाता है. रेक्टेंगल का लेंथ वो उसके सर्कल के सरकमफ्रेंस के बराबर होता है और ब्रेड्थ हाइट के बराबर होता है. तो अगर आप इसको हाइट के हिसाब से कैंसिल कर काट देंगे आपको रेक्टेंगल मिलेगा जिसका लेंथ है 2 pi r और हाइट है h. तो L into B equal to 2 pi r h होता है. Second one is total surface area. TSA means CSA plus top area ऊपर का एरिया plus bottom area that is 2 pi RH plus pi r square plus pi r square plus pi r square that is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. You can take 2 pi r common, that is 2 pi r into r plus h. This is the TSA of cylinder. Next is volume. Now third one is volume of cylinder. You know that it is 1 by 3 pi r square. ये कैसे आया? Volume of cylinder is pi r square, that is for cone, pi r square h. Again CSA is 2 pi r h and TSA is 2 pi r h plus r. Volume is pi r square h. Next solid is cone. This also you know. Cone has one vertex at top and one flat plane surface, that is circle, when curved surface. The radius of the cone is the radius of the base. Height is the distance between center and vertex. This is called vertex height. And the distance between vertex and any point on the circumference of the base is called slant height. Now slant height can be found out using the formula L equal to under root of h square plus r square. First one is CSA. CSA means curved surface area is pi RL. Now next is TSA is curved surface area plus base area. BA means base area, that is pi RL plus pi r square. If you take pi r common, you will get pi r into L plus r. Now volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here, how we can find this from cylinder? If you make a cylinder, if you cut a cylinder to the center of the base, आप एक सिलेंडर को से बेस के सेंटर से काटते हैं ऐसे, तो आपको 3 सिलेंडर मिलेंगे. One is in the left side, one is right side, one is in the top. All are of the same measurement. That is why volume 3 into volume of one cone equal to volume of 3 into volume of one cone is equal to volume of cylinder आएगा. That is 3 into volume of cone is equal to pi r square h. Implies volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. This can you can do by activity. Next is cone के बाद next one is sphere. Sphere is example of sphere is ball, and sphere is not like a circle. Sphere or circle same नहीं है. Circle means this boundary is there, but in sphere all are covered. Example of ball. That means बहुत सारे सर्कल को डिफरेंट रेडियस वाले कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल को बनाएंगे तो उसको मिलाकर आपको स्फीयर बनता है. बीच के सर्कल का रेडियस सबसे हाईएस्ट होगा. Now if the radius of the sphere is r and sphere has only one surface curved, so sphere has only one surface area, curved surface area and total surface area same. Now surface area of sphere, surface area is sphere is equal to 4 pi r square, and volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Next one is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Next one is hemisphere. So, half of circle is semicircle, but half of sphere is hemisphere. Hemisphere, how we can draw hemisphere? Just like a bowl. This is hemisphere. That means hemisphere has one curved surface and one flat surface, so that it has कर्व सरफेस एरिया एज वेल एज टोटल सरफेस एरिया। हेमिस्फीयर को कर्व सरफेस एरिया भी होता है, कर्व होगा, और फ्लैट सरफेस है नीचे तो वो बाउल के जैसा होता है, तो इसका कर्व सरफेस एरिया अलग होगा, टोटल सरफेस एरिया अलग होगा। दैट इज CSA ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर, द रेडियस इज r, जस्ट हाफ ऑफ sphere, that is 2 pi r square. Now TSA is equal to 2 pi r square plus top area, top किस फॉर्म में है, सर्कल के फॉर्म में, that is area of circle is pi r square, 2 pi r square plus pi r square is 3 pi r square. Volume is just half of sphere, that is 2 by 3 pi r. Now the deleted topic, I am just giving you a knowledge but not for the examination of point of view. Frustum of a cone, ये क्या चीज है ये आपको बताते हैं, for your knowledge only. Frustum of a cone, if you cut a cone by a plane parallel to its base, the remaining part is called frustum. अगर आपने कोन को उसके बेस का पैरेलल प्लेन से काट दिया, नीचे जो बचता है उस पार्ट को कहते हैं frustum of a cone. Let me draw the figure. Suppose that this is the cone. I am cutting this cone by a plane parallel to its base. तो ऐसे एक शेप बनेगा कटा हुआ काटने के बाद, तो वो शेप कैसे होगा, इस शेप में होगा. दिस शेप इज कॉल्ड फ्रस्टम ऑफ अ कोन. दैट मीन्स फ्रस्टम, ये कटा हुआ है तो वो हट जाएगा, बीच में शेप कैसे आएगा, सर्कल का आएगा. दैट मीन्स दिस इज फ्रस्टम. फ्रस्टम कैन ऑल्सो हैव लाइक दिस शेप ऑल्सो. दिस इज ऑल्सो फ्रस्टम. Two circular faces and one curved face. This is just like a bucket. Now, there are two plane surfaces. Both are of different radius. Both are of circle having different radius. Let the small radius can be written as small r and capital radius can be written as capital R. In the book it is given R1 and R2. तो आपको समझ नहीं आएगा छोटे को क्या लेना, बड़े को क्या लेना है. Small radius means small r, capital radius means big radius. Now, the distance between two radii is h. The distance between the center at any point on this is called slant height. Slant height can be found out using the formula h square plus r minus r whole square. And in the book it is written that h square plus r1 minus r2 whole square, but we are considering capital R and small r. And CSA is different and TSA is different. CSA is pi into r plus r into L, and TSA is CSA plus top area plus bottom area, that is pi into r plus r into L plus pi into small r square plus pi into capital R square. And volume can be found out using the formula 1 by 3 pi h into r square plus r square plus rr. This is the knowledge. This much is enough for you getting a knowledge about frustum. This is deleted topic. Now let us start question exercise 13.1. Exercise 13.1. I am reading the question. First question is, you also open book whenever you see the video so that you also can read the question. Question is, two cubes each of volume 64 centimeter are joined end to end. Find surface area of the resulting cuboid. Two cubes को एक साथ एक के ऊपर एक लगातार join कर लिया. That means their length will be different, breadth and height will be same. So what will be the you are asked to find surface area of resulting cuboid. Since two cubes are joined end to end, are, this is question number 1, are joined end to end. Length of resulting cuboid is equal to sum of length of given cubes. So we have to find length of cubes. You are given that volume of cube is equal to 64 cm cube. Volume of cube can be found out using the formula h cube. A cube equal to 4 cm whole cube. By taking cube root, we will get A equal to 4 centimeter. Therefore, L of cuboid, resulting cuboid means L of cuboid is equal to 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter, that is 8 centimeter. B is same because we are joining one end to end, so that one of the measurement LBH will be changed, others will remain as it is, and h of cuboid is equal to 4 cm. Therefore, surface area of the cuboid, या resulting cuboid लिखना तो resulting cuboid लिखो, but you have to write the formula as well as unit. Remember about that. That is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. That is 2 into L is 4 into 8. We will 4 into 8 into 4. We will write the unit afterwards. Plus 4 into 4 plus again LH is again LH that is 8 into 4 cm square. Now if you convert it, this will get, let me rub it because lack of space, that is 2 into 32 plus 16 plus 32 cm square, that is 2 into, let me check, 64, 70, 80 cm square, that is 160 cm square. This is the total surface area of resulting cuboid, and you can check the question from answer from behind of your book, that is 160 cm square. Next question is question number 2. I am reading the question. A vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 cm and total height of the vessel is 13. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. You are this much type of question that you must have done in class 9th, and also I am doing. A vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere surmounted by a hollow cylinder. Hollow hemisphere को hollow cylinder से surmount किया. Surmount means ऊपर उसको attach किया हुआ है. Then what will be the shape? Hollow hemisphere. This is hemisphere is surmounted by a hollow cylinder. This is the cylinder, and you have to draw the figure in each question so that you get a clear idea about that. Without figure, if you do this question, you will get completely confused. And what you are given? You are given, let me complete this. You are given the radius of the diameter of hemisphere is 14. So that radius is 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. And you are given total height of the vessel is 13. Total height is 13 centimeter. And then what will be the height of cylinder? If this is 7, this is also 7. Why? Because radius of the hemisphere. Then height of cylinder will be getting by subtracting 13 minus 7 centimeter, that is equal to 6 centimeter. Now you are asked to find surface area. When the combination of figure comes, जब भी combination of figure आता है, उसमें surface area find out करने के लिए जो surface visible है, उस surface को लेना है. That is here कौन सा surface visible है? We can find curved surface of cylinder as well as curved surface of hemisphere. So that you have to take the curved surface area of cylinder as well as curved surface area of hemisphere. We are not considering the top because it is hollow. वो खाली है तो उधर कोई सरफेस नहीं होगा. अगर सॉइल भरा हुआ है तो आपको टॉप एरिया भी लेना पड़ेगा. दैट इज आर ऑफ सिलेंडर इज सेम एज आर ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर. आर ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर दैट इज इक्वल टू 7 सेंटीमीटर. हाइट ऑफ सिलेंडर दैट इज इक्वल टू 13 सेंटीमीटर माइनस 7 सेंटीमीटर दैट इज 6 सेंटीमीटर. आप बच्चे मोस्टली इसको 13 करके करते हैं, पूरे क्वेश्चन गलत हो जाएगा. फिगर इसलिए बनाना जरूरी है. देयरफॉर सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द वेसल, surface area of the vessel. I told you whatever the surface you visible you can see, that is to be taken. Surface area of the vessel is equal to CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. First of all, write the formula, that is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square. Now here see, सीधा इसमें वैल्यू पुट नहीं करेंगे. पहले आप उसमें से, मैंने पहले भी बोला, मेंसुरेशन में जब तक आप इक्वेशन फॉर्मूला को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं तब तो सॉल्व करके आगे बढ़ना. तो उसमें कैलकुलेशन उससे कम होगा. 2 pi RH 2 pi R square, इसमें से किसको बाहर ले सकते हैं? 2 pi R into H plus R. Now put the values. 2 into, you are asked to take pi equal to 22 by 7. Radius is again 7 into H plus R. H is 6 plus R is 7 centimeter square. Now if you change it, this become cancel. that is 44 into 13 cm square. If you solve this, you will get the answer as 13 fours are 52, baki 13 fours are 52 plus 5, 57, 572 cm square. So in this type of question, this is to be, you have to be very careful that whatever the surface visible, then that surface area is to be found out. Next question is question number 3. In question number 3, what you are given? You are given that a toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of the same radius. Total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find surface area of the toy. You are given a toy. Toy is in the form of a cones. Markers are mounted on a hemisphere. Cones are mounted on a hemisphere. This is the cones are mounted on a hemisphere. And you are given the radius of the cone. Radius of the cone. This much is radius of the cone. Here radius of the cone 3.5 centimeter. And total height of the cone is given as 13.5 centimeter. So that you have to find the height of the conical part. Total 13.5. इसमें से minus करेंगे. You will get the height of the conical part is 13.5 minus 3.5. That is equal to, you will get it as height is, let me check, 13 point, one more, the height is not 13 point, sorry, 15.5. That I am checking, 15.5 by 15.5 minus 3.5 is 12.5. तो आप कॉपी करते हो, ध्यान रखना एक पॉइंट भी चेंज हो पूरा क्वेश्चन गलत हो जाएगा. Now you have to find the volume surface area of the this toy. कौन कौन सा सरफेस दिख रहा है? कौन का कर्व सरफेस दिख रहा है? हेमिस्फीयर का दिख रहा है. तो जो भी सरफेस विजिबल है उसका एरिया लेना है. Now for finding surface area of CSA of cone, you have to find slant height. First of all, find slant height. R of cone is equal to 3.5 centimeter. H of cone is equal to 15.5 centimeter minus 3.5 centimeter. That is, let me check, 15.5 centimeter minus 3.2 centimeter, that is 12 centimeter. Now, slant height L. Slant height L is equal to under root of h square plus r square. That is under root of 12 cm whole square plus r is 3.5 cm whole square. That is under root of 144 cm square plus 12.25 cm square. That is under root of 162.25 cm square. If you take the square root, you will get 12.5 cm. That is slant height. Now you have to find the surface area of the vessel. Now surface area of the vessel, SA means surface area of the vessel means surface area of the cone, toy is equal to CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. CSA of hemisphere. CSA for cone is pi RL plus 2 pi r square. Again, I told you, whenever you can take simplify the equation, it is better to simplify the equation and write value. Pi r into L plus 2r. Pi r लिया तो 2r तक बच रहा है. That is 22 by 7 into 3.5 into L is what we have found out 12.5 plus 2 into 3.5 centimeter square. This is getting cancelled. 0.5, that is 11 into 12.5 plus 7, 19.5 cm square. If you cancel it, you will get as solve it, you will get as 214.5 cm square. That you can do by, that is the third question. Now fourth question, let us read the question. A cubical block of side 7 cm is surmounted by a hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter of the hemisphere can have? Find the surface area of solid. I will try to draw the figure first. You are given a cuboid. First of all, draw cuboid. Should be straight. Straight होना चाहिए. Let me draw the figure first of all. This is cuboid. This is cuboid. इसके ऊपर एक क्यूबॉइडल ब्लॉक, इसके ऊपर एक क्यूबॉइडल ब्लॉक को बना रखा है, सरमाउंट कर रखा है. क्यूबॉइडल ब्लॉक और इज 7 सेंटीमीटर ऑफ साइड 7 सेंटीमीटर की सरमाउंटेड. क्यूबॉइडल ब्लॉक के ऊपर एक, ये इसको आपको इमेजिन करना है, इसके ऊपर एक क्या बोलते हैं, एक कीबोर्ड के ऊपर एक बाउल को सरमाउंट कर रखा है. और कीबोर्ड का क्यूबिकल है, तो क्यूबिकल का क्यूब मीन्स ईच एडज से इसका 7 सेंटीमीटर एडज है. तो आपसे पूछा गया है फाइंड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द सॉलिड एज वेल एज द डायमीटर ऑफ द हेमिस्फीयर. डायमीटर ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर यू हैव टू इमेजिन, अगर आप इसके ऊपर एक बाउल लगा दिया तो बाउल कंप्लीट कवर हो जाएगा. तो डायमीटर ऑफ द हेमिस्फीयर और एज ऑफ द क्यूब विल बी सेम. सो दैट diameter of the hemisphere, largest diameter you are asked, I think that the greatest, so that you have to write greatest, maximum कहां तक जा सकते हैं. Greatest diameter of hemisphere is equal to 7 centimeter. Now how we can find its area? Area means you have to find lateral surface area, base area, curved surface area of hemisphere. और लेकिन इसके आप किसी के ऊपर चिपकाएंगे, चारों कॉर्नर छूट जाएगा. तो टोटल एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर में से सर्कल का एरिया को भी माइनस करना है. इमेजिन करो, यहाँ जब आप हेमिस्फीयर को रखेंगे कॉर्नर दिख जाएगा, उसको भी ऐड करना है. कॉर्नर फाइंड आउट करने के लिए टोटल एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर में से अंदर जो हेमिस्फीयर का टच किया हुआ पार्ट है, वो सर्कल है, उसको माइनस करना है. दैट इज सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सॉलिड is equal to LSA of cube, LSA mean चारों तरफ, plus base area plus CSA of hemisphere, CSA of hemisphere plus अब क्या करना है, एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर, नीचे हर फेस किस फॉर्म में होता है, एरिया स्क्वायर के फॉर्म में, माइनस एरिया ऑफ सर्कल. बिकॉज उस जो चिपका हुआ उस एरिया का वो बीच का लेंथ एरिया मिलने के लिए टोटल स्क्वायर के एरिया में से वो सर्कल का एरिया माइनस करना है. एरिया ऑफ सर्कल, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट द फॉर्मूला. LSA मीन्स 4a स्क्वायर प्लस बेस एरिया a स्क्वायर प्लस कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर इज 2πr स्क्वायर. एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर इज अगेन a स्क्वायर. एरिया ऑफ सर्कल इज πr स्क्वायर. अब देखिए 4a स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर 6a स्क्वायर 2πr स्क्वायर minus πr स्क्वायर πr स्क्वायर. In this way you can simplify the values. After that put the value. That is 6 into 7 cm whole square plus 22 by 7 into 7 cm whole square. Now if you put the value, you will get the value as 6 into 49, that is 294 plus, let me write 294 plus 77 by 2 cm square. Now if you solve it, you will get 294 plus 38.5 cm square. If you again add it, you will get the value as let me check, 332.5 cm square. In this way you can find the value of surface area of रिजल्टिंग सॉलिड. तो इसमें आपको इस चीज को ध्यान रखना है, चारों और नीचे का बेस एरिया लेने के बाद हेमिस्फीयर का सरफेस एरिया CSA आपको लेना है, प्लस एरिया स्क्वायर में से वो अंदर का जो सर्कल का एरिया माइनस करना है. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज सेम वन, यू कैन डू इट एज होमवर्क बिकॉज यू नो इट. उसमें इतना डिफरेंस है. हियर यू आर गिवन क्यूबॉइडल ब्लॉक एज 7 centimeter and here the diameter of the cuboidal block is given as L. और उसके अंदर से डिप्रेशन, अंदर की तरफ से गड्ढा बनाया, तो ऊपर बनाए नीचे बनाए, तो वो गड्ढा भी आपको हेमिस्फीयर के शेप में बनाएगा. सेम फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है. 7 की जगह पर रेडियस आपको डायमीटर 4th में 7 था, इस क्वेश्चन में आपको डायमीटर L लेना है. आई थिंक दैट यू कैन डू इट. इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम देन यू कैन आस्क मी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. There is a capsule. You are given a capsule. First of all, let me read the question. A medical capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with 2 hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. The length of the entire capsule is 14 mm. Millimeter में दे रखा है. And the diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. Find its surface area. You are given a capsule. Let me draw the figure. If you draw the figure, it will be very clear. You are given a capsule which is in the which form? In the form of a cylinder with two hemispherical ends. दोनों साइड में हेमिस्फेरिकल का शेप का एंड्स भी है. The entire length means total length of the capsule is 14 millimeter. ये आपको दे रखा है. And the diameter of the capsule, this is the diameter cap means this one is you are given 5, so that becomes 2.5 millimeter. Here again 2.5 millimeter. Then now we can find the height of cylindrical part. टोटल में से इन दोनों का सम माइनस करना है. दैट इज 14 mm माइनस 2.5 प्लस 2.5 दैट इज 5 mm. दैट इज इक्वल टू 9 mm. दैट इज 9 mm. दैट इज द हाइट ऑफ सिलेंड्रिकल पार्ट. हाइट ऑफ सिलेंड्रिकल पार्ट आ गया. यू आर आस्क्ड टू फाइंड सरफेस एरिया. I told you the combination figure, whatever the surface visible, you have to find the area. इसमें कौन कौन सा सरफेस दिख रहा है? सिलेंडर का कर्व सरफेस दिख रहा है, दोनों हेमिस्फीयर का दिख रहा है. तो आपको you have to find the areas of CSA of both the hemispheres as well as cylinder. Now how we can find the height of cylinder? Height of cylinder is equal to total length is 14 meter. From this 2.5 millimeter is cutting. From this also 2.5 millimeter is to be removed. So that 14 millimeter minus 2.5 millimeter. Everything is given in millimeter, so no need of conversion of unit. 2.5 millimeter, that is 14 mm minus 5 mm, that is 9 mm. That is written here. Now surface area of the capsule. Surface area of the capsule is equal to CSA of cylinder plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere, that is both ends, hemisphere. Now first of all, as I told you, first of all write the formula. The formula can be simplified. After that put the value. That is 2 pi RH plus 2 into 2 pi R square. That is, you can take 2 pi R common, you will get 2 pi R into, here H is coming, remaining here 2 pi R square. 2 pi R is taken, this is 2 R is coming. Now 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 2.5 into H is 9 millimeter. We will write the unit after writing the values, and that is H is 9 millimeter. 2R means 2 into 2.5, 5 millimeter square. Now if you solve it, you will get, that is I am writing 44, 22 2s are 44 into 2.5 into 9 plus 5 is 14 by 7 mm square. These are getting cancelled. That is 44 into 5 mm square. That is 44 into 5 is 5 4s are 20. 5 4s 20 plus 2 20 mm square. So this means in this question everything is given in millimeter. Then you can find the area in millimeter square. This is the question number 6. Next question is question number 7. I am reading the question. A tent is in the form of in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. The height and diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively, and the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter. Find area of the canvas used for making the tent. Also find the cost of canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. In the bracket it is given that, note that the base of the tent will not be covered with the canvas. You are given a tent. Tent is in the shape of a cone surmounted on a cylinder. सिलेंडर के ऊपर एक कौन सरमाउंड हुआ ऐसे है, टेंट बना हुआ है. Should be as it is, that is tent. This is tent. Now where the canvas means कपड़ा कहाँ रखना है? चारों तरफ, कौन के चारों तरफ, सिलेंडर के चारों तरफ, नीचे नहीं आएगा. Now you are asked to find the, first of all find the area of the canvas that is used to make the tent. Also find the cost of the canvas at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. What you are given? The height of the diameter of cylindrical part are 2.1 and 2 meter. diameter is 4 meter, so that the radius is 2 meter, and height of cylindrical part is given as 2.1 meter, and everything is given directly. Slant height of the top is if this is 2 meter, radius of the cone is also 2 meter, and slant height is given as 2.8 meter. Also, cost is given as rupees 500 per meter square. So no need of any conversion of unit. Everything is given the same unit. Now the area over which you have to write a statement like this: the canvas is to be placed. The canvas is to be placed is equal to CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder. CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder. That is, CSA for cone is pi RL, CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Again, you can take pi R common, pi R into L plus 2H. Now you have to write the values. Pi is 22 by 7, R is 2 meter, into L is 2.8 plus 2H means 2 into 2.1 मीटर स्क्वायर. लास्ट में आप उसका यूनिट लिख देना. दैट इज इफ यू चेंज मल्टीप्लाई यू गेट 44 by 7 into 2.8 plus 4.2 meter square. Now if you solve it, you will get as 44 by 7 into 4 plus 2 6 7. 44 by 7 into 7 meter square, that is 44 meter square. That is the area of the canvas used to make the tent is 44 meter square. Now you have to find the cost. Cost of canvas per meter square is given as rupees 500. Therefore, total cost of canvas required, total cost of canvas is equal to area into cost. Area into rupees 500. That is, these 200 zeros will remain as it is. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20 plus 22,000 rupees. This is the 7th question. Now, let me check the answer. 22,000 rupees. Now, question number 8 is same one, combination of figure. You can do it as homework. ये आप खुद homework में करेंगे. If you no doubt, you can ask me. Last question is question number 9. This question had come in 2018 CBSE board examination. Question is very simple. I'm reading the question. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder as shown in the figure. If the height of the cylinder is 10 cm and its base is of radius 3.5 cm, find the total surface area of the article. जब भी आपको मेंस्ट्रुएशन पेन से कोई भी क्वेश्चन मिले, सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन पढ़कर देखना है कि यूनिट सेम है कि यूनिट सेम है कि नहीं. That is the first step. After, if the unit is same, then you can go further. Otherwise, if unit is not same, you have to convert the same unit, maybe millimeter into meter or maybe centimeter into meter, like that. Then you have to think about which area is to be taken. Now I am reading drawing the figure. There is a cylinder. From cylinder में से दोनों एंड में से हेमिस्फेरिकल शेप में स्कूप आउट मतलब इसको उस शेप में डिग करके निकाला गया. That means in the here you can find hemisphere. Figure should be proportional. Here also you can find hemisphere ends. That means कौन सा सरफेस दिखेंगे. If suppose that is cylinder, इसके अंदर एक गड्ढा बनाया, हेमिस्फीयर के शेप में इसमें भी बनाया, तो you can see 3 surfaces, one curved surface, one hemisphere, curved surface of hemisphere at the bottom, one at the top, and you are asked to find the area of the sphere. तो इसमें बच्चे कॉमन मिस्टेक क्या करते हैं, जो स्कोप आउट मतलब निकाला उसको छोड़ देते हैं. वॉल्यूम फाइंड आउट करते वक्त आप माइनस करेंगे और इसमें तो छोड़ना मतलब माइनस करना, और सरफेस एरिया में जो भी सरफेस दिखेंगे सब आपको लेना है. नाउ you are given radius of the base is 3.5. You are given the radius of the base is 3.5 centimeter, and the height of the cylinder is given as 10 centimeter, and you are asked to find the surface area of the article. Surface area, which area we have to take? We have to take that is CSA of both hemisphere as well as CSA of cylinder. Surface area of the article is equal to 2 into, there are two hemisphere, CSA of hemisphere, 2 into CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cylinder. CSA of cylinder. First of all, write the formula. 2 into 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Again, you can take 2 pi r common. This step is very important. इस तरह की step को ध्यान से करना तो कभी गलती नहीं होगी. 2 pi r into 2r plus h. That means when the values you have to write given 2 into 22 by 7. This is 3.5 into 3.5 into 2 into 3.5 plus the height is given as 10 centimeter square. Since everything is given in centimeter, you can write in centimeter square. Now, this is cancelling 0.5, 22 into 0.5, 1, 10, 11, 11 that is 22 into, this is 7, 7 plus 10, 17, that is 22 into 70, 17 2s are 34, baki 3, 17 2s are 34 plus 3 is 374 centimeter square. That is the answer. This question had come CBSE 2018. तो आपको जो भी क्वेश्चन मिले सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन में फिगर से समझना कि कौन सा एरिया लेना है, उसी के अनुसार आप फॉर्मूला लिखेंगे. देन यू विल सिंप्लीफाई द फॉर्मूला. आफ्टर दैट पुट द वैल्यू एंड वॉट एवर द वैल्यूज दैट यू आर आस्क्ड टू टेक फॉर पाई, यू हैव टू टेक इट. This much is sufficient for today's class. Do all these questions in your notebook, including homework as well as solved examples. See you again in the next class. Thank you.